Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to reset service light on Renault Megane 4 Captur, Kadjar and Symbol in 4 simple steps. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. And if you can see there's a message over there, service due in 15 days. Also you can see the range indicator light reminding you that you have to reset the service light. So first insert the key and turn it in the second position, but don't start the engine, or press one time on the start stop button. Then use the button from the right side of the steering wheel to select service intervals. Then keep pressing on the OK button for 10 seconds until you see the oil change message on display. We have oil change in 4,600 kilometers or 13 months. Then also press again on the OK button and keep pressing until the reset is done. It stopped blinking. Now it's oil change in 30,000 kilometers and 24 months. So the reset is done. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. If my video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, or send me a super thanks.